जय श्रीमन्नारायण 340th नामम फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम ओम ताराय नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, I realize that you are the one who helps, who makes all the devotees cross over the ocean of samsara. O Srimannarayana, as and how you do not have birth, death, aging, so also while living in the every devotees, while living in the every entity as Antaryami, you help those souls cross over the ocean of samsara, which is filled up with aging, birth and death. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Taraya Namaha. Om Taraya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sri Ramachandra Swami, who is Neelameghasyama, Sri Ramachandra Swami, Nalina Patraksham, who has divine lotus-like eyes, such Ramachandra Swami, now taking Bharata, tam anke bhrataram krutva, having Bharata sitting in his lap, Sri Ramachandra Swami addressing to Bharata. By then Ramachandra Swami's throat, Ramachandra Swami's tone became so hard and so heavy because of that emotion, and he is slowly talking to Bharata, saying that, "Oh Bharata, my dear Bharata, you naturally have very good intellect and very good heart and also very good understanding. On top of that, you went through so many great acharyas. With the training given by all our acharyas, your intellect is sharpened more and more. Your understanding power is sharpened more and more. With all that together, you will be able to definitely rule the kingdom very well. Rakshitum prudhivimapi. You will be able to rule this entire earth." Oh Bharata, whenever you are taking decisions, you bring all your amatyaischa, suhrudbhischa, buddhimadbhischa mantribhihi. Bring all of your very, very good well-wishers and pradhana mantris, upamantris, those who have very good intellect, buddhiman. Bring all of them together and then sarvakaryani sammantriya, discuss with them and launch such a huge big projects. Oh Bharata, you will be able to rule kingdom very well. Now here is my decision. Please listen to me carefully, Bharata. Lakshmihi chandradapeyadva. Even if the moon is going to lose all of his glow and all of his light, I am not going to be losing my pratigna. Ho Bharata, himavan va himam tyajet. Even if Himalayas going to be losing all the snow, I will not be losing my pratigna, Bharata. Atiyat sagaro velam. Even if the ocean is crossing over all the banks, I am not going to. Na pratignyam aham pituhu. I am not going to lose my pratignya, whatever the word that I gave to my father. O Bharata, and also one more thing. Whatever happened is happened. Do not show any kind of anger towards Kaikamma. Na tanmanasi kartavyam. Do not carry any kind of wrong intentions towards your mother Kaikamma. And also Bharata, vartitavyancha matruvat. You have to be very nice to Mother Kaikamma and you have to behave very well with Mother Kaikamma and act according to Mother Kaikamma. When Ramachandra Swami is saying all this, Bharata is looking at Rama, staring at Rama, because the glow from Rama is like the rays coming out of the sun, Tejasaditya Sankasam. That is why Bharata is staring at Rama. Not only that, Pratipat Chandra Darsanam. As and how Chandra's glow, the moonlight gives so much of peacefulness, so also that kind of peace, that kind of light is coming out of Sri Ramachandra Swami. Bharata is looking at Ramachandra Swami and heard all the things what Ramachandra Swami said, and now Bharata is addressing Rama. Oh Rama, oh my dear brother Rama, here is the padukas which are made, which are decorated with gold. Padabhyam paduke hemabhushite. You please wear this golden padukas with your lotus-like divine feet. Oh Rama, you know what? This padukas, after you wear this padukas, these are the padukas. Etehi sarvalokasya. These are the padukas going to bestow yogakshemam vidhasyataha. These are the padukas are going to take care of all the worlds. These are the padukas are going to bestow yogamu, kshemamu to all the worlds, all the planets. That is why, oh Rama, oh my dear brother, please wear these padukas. Then Sri Ramachandra Swami got those padukas and put his divine feet in those padukas. Then Avarukyacha immediately took out his feet from that padukas and gave those padukas to Bharata. Then Bharata did namaskaram to Sapaduke, Sampranamya, pranamam he did to those padukas. And then Bharata is now again saying back to Sri Ramachandra Swami like this. What he is saying, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 37th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Asokaha Taranaha Taraha Surasaurihi Janeswaraha Anukulaha Setavartaha Padmi Padma నిభేక్షణః ఓం సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. ఓం తారాయ నమః. ఓం తారాయ నమః. ఓం తారాయ నమః.